Well, it is Wednesday morning, and yeah, last night we spent the night here, hunkered behind some sand dunes. So there's dunes all around us over there. Obviously Denmark's quite a flat place, and there was a big storm coming in last night. So lots of thunder and lightning overnight, and really strong winds and torrential rain. And it's in amongst this kind of like holiday cottage community, which are absolutely amazing. Quite a lot have got thatch roofs on. Other than that, they look like very basic buildings, but when you look inside, they've got jacuzzis. They're like IKEA kind of fitted inside. They're just amazing. Some you can rent out, some are people's holiday homes. And then that bird that you can hear now, yeah, that woke us up at about 3 o'clock this morning, and it hasn't shut up since. So as you may notice, I've got a split lip. That was yeah, an unfortunate. I got a chapped lip the other day, and then Mandy and I were laughing, and it split my lip. and then the other day, my wisdom tooth. It's been maybe a bit on and off pain for a couple of weeks, but nothing too bad. And that's split in half. So yeah, I've been in a bit of pain for the last few days. International Sand Sculpture Festival 2019. Do you make a living out of this? That's an important one. Do you make a living out of it? No.
Shouldn't you get yourself
the real jobs? So they must feel a bit like YouTubers then. Yeah, because YouTubers don't have a real job.
Yeah, get yourself a real job.
Get yourself a real job.
Leather jacket, boot shades, and an automobile. Like I saw you in a picture in a magazine. Sun is up, blazing out down on the boulevard. Look like a movie star, but you're not even trying hard. On the road, going nowhere with the top down, while the rest of us are stuck here in our small towns. I wanna know, I wanna know, I wanna know who you are. I wanna know, I wanna know, I wanna know who you are. Still raining now, the drops keep coming, you lay it down. I can't stop falling now.
So,
So,
what have we got for lunch?
we have ham cheese sandwiches, and I've got healthy things on mine, like
You bet.
tomatoes and lettuce.
No, why would you do that?
Because it's good for it.
And we've got quite a nice view for lunch today, haven't we?
It's not bad at all.
Oh yeah.
That will do ever so nicely.
So, would you say this place is Romo? Romo? Something like that?
Romo.
R-O-M-O. Yeah, something like that.
That's it, so yeah.
Yeah? Cool.
And lots of kites.
Yeah?
I just love the kites. Massive monster kites.
and we just we've moved. We were over there, so thankfully the tyres working well, not getting stuck in the soft sand. So we got a bag each, and I said we're not putting them in a bowl and sharing, and Mandy said
No, I don't like sharing. Because I watch when you're like, because he's like, these are the best crisps in the world.
In the world.
And yeah, and I see you eating your portion of them,
Yeah.
sharing nicely, and I'm like, don't eat mine. So this just is better.
So I've got my own crisps,
Mhm.
and Mandy's got her crisps,
Yep.
and the world's a happier place
Yep.
in our van. So a lot of people say, if you're going to live full time in a van, why not live in a motorhome, like a big A-class or something like that? And well, we've got a reason for that, haven't we?
We do.
You don't get one of those in a motorhome, even coach built or an A-class. You only get them in van conversions. And being able to sit here and watch the view like that, that's why we want to live in a van.
Pretty damn perfect, isn't it?
Like you.
Oh, you're a bit soft. So I'm off for a paddle. Not been for a paddle for ages. I don't like fish near my feet, so I don't really do it that often. There's John in the van. Yeah. And of course that one there. Getting ready to get his drone out. And then I've got to work my way across what is actually quite sharp sand to the sea. Yay!
What a shiver. I'm on the road, going nowhere with the top down, while the rest of you are stuck there in your small towns. I wanna know where you are. I wanna know. Still raining now. The drops keep coming. You lay it down. I can't stop falling. Still raining now. The drops keep coming. You lay it down. I can't stop falling now.
Just want to see this. There's the mist is rolling off the sea. You can't even see the horizon anymore, and it smells hot. It smells like you're at a hot spring or something. Never seen anything like it. It's kind of eerie. I'm expecting zombies to come out of the sea, or White Walkers, and dragons.
So you know that thing you see on Instagram? Van life, back doors open, great view. Liam does it an awful lot, Liam the Terrible in Tubbyland and stuff like that. I mean, you've just got to do it, haven't you? You've got to open your back doors, look at the view, and stand back and enjoy it. It's that simple. And Mandy said that no, she won't get her arse out.
No.
It is a little bit too windy to film outside right now. We are at the North Sea, and the North Sea gets windy. And what's really strange was that sea mist or advection fog that came in. I don't know what that is. Dave Bertolini told me it's when the water temperature and the air temperature are different. So because the wind was blowing the air over the warm water, we got sea fog. And I can actually see it from where we are now. So that bit there is where we've come from, and we're now on the other side, so we're not on that little island anymore. That is that little island we came across. We're now on the mainland, and yeah, we just sat here enjoying the view. Good morning, and what a lovely morning it is. So last night was our last night in Denmark. I had a lovely peaceful night's sleep here, really nice and quiet, and we're heading off to Germany, Netherlands kind of coastal area, and then Dunkirk the night after that, Friday night, then catch the channel back Saturday morning, and go and get Cooper. So it's been an absolutely fantastic week. Just absolutely brilliant.
Oh yeah?
Coffee.
Yeah, coffee.
Coffee and
Very nice view.
a view. Well, you know.
Oh, hang on, it's nicer with you there. Yeah, it's lovely here, isn't it? It's so peaceful. Coffee stopped.
It's so peaceful, says the person with the coffee maker going nyang,
Yeah.
nyang, nyang,
Yes,
nyang, nyang,
I'm
nyang.
currently ruining the peace and quiet. Yeah.
Oh dear.
It's so lovely though, isn't
It
it?
is. Fabulous.
Yeah, don't know if we get anywhere. Which has been your favourite night? So that was last night in Denmark.
Yeah.
So I know we've only had 3?
4.
Four
So
nights in Denmark.
Copenhagen,
Yeah.
top of Copenhagen.
Across the bridge and then that.
Yeah,
Sand
the
dune night.
sand dune night,
Yeah.
and then tonight. So yeah, 4 nights in Denmark.
So which was your favourite?
Probably the second night.
Yeah, the one with the beach and the
Yeah,
shower.
the big beach and the shower and everything.
Yeah,
Yeah,
in a little town.
yeah, could have stayed there for a week.
Yeah, apart from the naked bathers.
Yeah, the naked bathers were a shocker.
First thing in the morning. Oh,
Yeah.
stretch, clothes off, in I go. Let's
Yeah.
stand in the sea.
Oh yeah, looking all regal.
Yes,
Look at me in the
thankfully
sea.
facing towards the horizon.
Yeah.
Then I was
Yeah, That was weird.
Oh, bless him. I wish I had the guts to do that though.
Yeah, I probably
Yeah.
would have done, but I'd rather have a shower than go in the sea.
Well, you'd need to see, and then you walk up that little path
Yeah,
to
to
that
go in the
freezing cold
shower.
shower. You
Yeah.
see, and it'd be fine. Quick, let's go back. Let's not go to work. No, we have to
I
get
gotta get
Coopy.
moopy. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mm. Soon, as long as someone buys our house, we can do this all the time.
Yeah. Anyone want to buy a 4-bed house?
Yeah, just buy the house. I'm not asking you for money.
Well, you get a house
well,
for
you get
it.
a house for it, but you know, we're not asking for money to do this full time. We just need to not have a house so we don't have to pay the mortgage.
Yeah, because mortgage companies frown upon you to
Yeah.
stop paying.
Yeah. It's like, oh, there's the keys, you can have it back.
Yeah.
Don't want it anymore, thank you. By the way, please can I have my equity?
Yeah. Just a small thing.
Just a small thing about that, yeah.